Hello and welcome to Hashtag Learning Videos. So this is a complete web series on AWS best practices and tips, and today is our video number 3. Today's video is going to be a short tip on how to get the best performance out of your multi-tier workloads deployed in a multi-AZ architecture. So stay tuned. Okay, so to get the best performance out of your multi-tier architectures deployed in a multi-AZ workload is to basically have all the tiers of your application deployed in the same set of availability zones. So by that, what I mean is basically, let's say your application has two tiers like load balancer and application servers. Then if you choose your application servers to be in the availability zones EU West 1A and EU West 1B, then it is a best practice to also have your elastic load balancers deployed in the same availability zones. This is because behind the scenes, the load balancers are also the EC2 instances, and when a request is made, the connections between the load balancer and the application server, the network latency is very minimal if they are in the same availability zone. Let's say if they are in a different availability zone, then the connection has to travel to the different availability zone, and the network latency can come in between your performance. So having them in the same availability zone will improve your overall network performance and give a boost to your application. Now let's see how we can verify if the application servers and elastic load balancers are in the same availability zones. So to do that, basically you need to log into your AWS console and go to the EC2 section. Now I have an application server set up using the autoscaling groups, and I have a load balancer setup. So to verify that, all I got to do is, like, first I need to go to the autoscaling groups and select the autoscaling group that I want to test. So basically I'm choosing this particular autoscaling group here. And if you see, I have the availability zone selected as EU West 1A and EU West 1B. Now I'm going to go to my load balancers and see if my load balancer for that specific autoscaling group is also the same EU West 1A and 1B. So I'm going to go to my elastic load balancers here, and then select my big company application load balancer here, and basically you can see that the availability zones here are also EU West 1A and 1B. So this way I can have my network latency to be minimal, and I really hope that this tip might help you in getting the best performance out of your architecture. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos and updates, please subscribe to our channel Hashtag Learnings, and also do check out our courses on Udemy. All links are in the description below. Thank you.